Emotional Story for Two Men. In the quaint town of Eldridge, two kindred spirits, Jack and Mark, forged a friendship that weathered the storms of time. From childhood escapades to adolescent dreams, their lives intertwined seamlessly. As the years passed, Jack became the anchor in Mark's tumultuous sea, providing unwavering support and laughter that echoed through their shared adventures. However, destiny took an unexpected turn when Mark received a diagnosis that cast a dark shadow over their camaraderie. Facing the daunting reality of Mark's illness, Jack refused to let despair settle in. Instead, he decided to celebrate their friendship in a tangible way. With determination etched across his face, Jack embarked on a mission to compile a scrapbook filled with snapshots of their most cherished moments. Late nights turned into early mornings as Jack meticulously arranged photos, ticket stubs, and handwritten notes. Each page unfolded like a chapter of their shared history, a testament to the enduring bond they had crafted. Jack poured his heart into the scrapbook, hoping it would serve as a beacon of strength for Mark during the challenging times ahead. The day of revelation arrived, and Jack presented the carefully crafted scrapbook to Mark. As they flipped through its pages together, laughter mingled with tears, creating an emotional symphony that resonated in the room. The scrapbook became a tangible manifestation of their friendship, a source of inspiration that fueled Mark's determination to overcome adversity. In the face of uncertainty, Jack and Mark stood united, drawing strength from the memories encapsulated in that humble scrapbook. Through the highs and lows, their friendship became a guiding light, proving that even in the darkest moments, the warmth of true companionship could illuminate the path forward. As the seasons changed, so did Mark's health, but their shared journey remained a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of unwavering friendship. In the end, it wasn't just a scrapbook, it was a living testament to the beauty of two souls connected by an unbreakable bond.